I finally used these Blissford Packing Cubes that were sent to me for review. I am blown away. I'm really impressed with how perfectly they work for a trip. This is a hotel drawer. Look at how the shape of these fits perfectly in the drawer. Oftentimes cubes are more square. These just fit perfectly, and also fun colors, right? So you can identify better whose stuff is whose. Fits mine and my daughter's shoes perfectly. They just nestle in there really well. And then we've got my daughter's clothes, and each of these compresses down with an extra zipper that goes all the way around. Then over here, look how much stuff fits in here. This is a zippered pocket that goes the whole length. So you've got the large pocket right here, and then this zippered pocket here, so you can separate things out. These shapes are very unique. They've got these great larger handles here for holding on to things. The zippers are really high quality, and a great laundry bag too. Do we see how packed and puffed up this is? This is heavy, right? Okay, watch. You might need to do a bit of pinching, but it will go. This is a little trick for getting it nice and pinched down. I know it looks awkward, but trust me, it works. Final stretch. Look at that. That is airtight. Yeah? Amazing.